Now in this video, I'm going to go through the compensation plan of the company Total Life Changes. Now the very first thing that I'm going to go through are the 6 generous ways that they compensate you. Now the very first way is through retail. Now what's going to happen is the company is going to give you a free website, and all the orders that go through your site, you're going to get paid 50% commissions. Now it doesn't matter how many times a customer orders or how many customers you have, you're going to continuously get paid 50% commissions on all orders going through your website. Okay? Now the second way is through residual income. And what this simply means is that you're going to get commission checks on the groups that you have. And the third way is through fast start bonuses. Now for all the people that you personally sponsor or get into this company, you're going to get paid 50% commission on their first initial orders. Okay? Now the fourth way is through check matching. Now for all the personal people that you personally sponsored, you're going to get a 50% check match on everything that they make from their binary. Now to add to that, you're also going to get paid a 10 to 50% commission on every single person that they personally sponsor and what they make. Okay, and I'll talk a little bit more about this check matching in the next couple slides. Now the fifth way that we get paid in this company is through the Power Leg payout. Now for those of you that don't know what a Power Leg is, this just simply means that this is the group that is bringing in the largest amount of volume. Okay, and in a lot of companies, the Power Leg is ridiculously hard to get paid out on. Now in our company, we do guarantee a payout on the Power Leg. Now I'll talk more about this Power Leg on the next slide. So this is what it looks like. There's going to be you, a person on your left, and a person on your right. You're going to have a pay leg, and you're going to have a power leg. Now just keep in mind that the pay leg and power leg can be on either side, but I just put them in these positions just for this video example today. Okay? Now what is a power leg? Well, just like I mentioned before, a power leg is the group that brings in the largest amount of volume. Okay? And the pay leg is the group that has the least amount of volume. Now, in every basic common comp plan out there, you're always going to get paid on the least amount of volume, which is your pay leg. All right? Now, just to kind of give you an example, let me just show you some numbers. Let's just say you have 500 in group volume going through this pay leg right now. Okay? And you were going to get paid 10% out of 30. We're just going to go with the lowest amount. Well, you're going to get paid up to $50 on that volume, okay? All right? And then all the volume on your power leg is going to go to a bank, all right? Now, what makes our comp plan different? Well, what we did is we added a third leg, which we call the customer list. Now, there's 3 reasons why this customer list makes this hybrid comp plan so remarkable, okay? And the very first reason is this. You're going to earn 50% commissions on all your customer orders, just like I mentioned before, okay? So for example, let's say that Jack ordered some ISO tea, and that ISO tea is worth 40 points, where you're going to get $20 with that, because that's 50%, right? And let's say John, Mary, Jim, Ann all do the same thing, where your commission check is going to be $100, all right? So that's the first reason. Now the second reason is your total customer volume carries over weekly to your pay leg to help support it. That way you get 10 to 30% on a larger volume. So you guys, you can see the huge potential of how much money you can make with this hybrid comp plan. Okay? Now, the third reason why this customer list is incredible and so important is because it becomes your filter of your business. Jack, John, Mary, Jim, and Ann become your prospects. All right? Because frankly speaking, guys, it's really hard to go out there and recruit distributors these days, new people to join your business. And here's why. A lot of people are just tired of hearing about opportunities. They've tried it before, and if they do jump in, they kind of have already a negative attitude about it. Okay? But Jack, you know, just for example, you call him up and say, hey, Jack, how's the product going for you, the tea? And he says, it's going great. I'm really surprised how fast it works, and I really notice a difference. And so I told a few people about it already. And I just told him, well, hey, listen, Jack, would you be open to listening on how I make money just by simply sharing these products with others? And he says, sure. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring Jack over as a distributor, and now he's going to get paid commissions off of all those people that he was excited about sharing this product with. Okay? Now, and he's putting a little extra money in his pocket. And he's also a happy distributor that's believing in the product, and he's excited about sharing. All right? And next thing you know, he's building his own business. Okay? So you guys, that's huge. That's why these 3 ways makes the customer list very important. Okay? Now finally, let me just go back to the power leg. Now remember, I told you that when you reach a certain level in this company, you're going to get paid out in our company guaranteed. Well, that level is the executive ambassador level. All right? And you're going to get paid 1 to 4% on all of that accumulated volume that you built up until you reach that level. Now you're going to get a 1 lump sum commission check. And then thereafter, you're going to get paid 1 to 4% weekly on the current volume that goes through your power leg. Okay? And you guys, that's going to be a huge volume. That's going to be a nice big bonus check. So just imagine if 5 million of volume is going through that power leg, you're going to get a nice $50,000 bonus check just for that. And then thereafter, 1 to 4% paid out on the current volume. Okay? So you guys, this is just a basic outline of our hybrid comp plan. Okay? So let's go to the next slide. Now on here, I want to show you a little bit more about the check matching. This is you, and these are all the people that you personally sponsored. And remember, there's no limit to the people that you can bring into this company. Okay? Now, remember I said before, you're going to get 50% commission on everything that they make. So for example, if John made only $40, you're going to get 20 of that. Okay, and if Bob made 100, you're going to get 50 of that. If Ann made 200, you're going to get 100 of that. And if Julie only made $1, you're going to get 50 cents of that. Okay, and finally Frank, if he makes 20 bucks, you're going to get $10 of that. Now, it doesn't matter if they make $10,000, you're going to get half of that. 5,000 goes to you. Okay? Now, what makes this even better? And we're going to take Bob, for example. Let's say he brings in Mary, Alex, and Jim. Well, what's going to happen here is that you're going to also get 10 to 50% check match on his first level, his first people that he personally sponsors. Okay? You guys, this is huge money. Now, listen to one more thing. Let's say Bob is only making $100, right? But Mary is making $20,000. She's going to get paid off of her. Okay? So this is just this is a team effort. Everybody's supporting everybody, and we're helping each other make money. You guys, the check matching thing is incredible. Now, let's talk a little bit about business. This type of business is a business. You're going to need supplies. You're going to need products. Now, you're not going to start a restaurant without food or equipment, right? And a lot of times restaurants give out samples. The good ones do. So that way, if you like it, you can go in and you'll order more, right? Well, this is very important. You want to do the same thing. So what we did was we set up a few packs that are suitable to your budget. I recommend the 500, the 1,000, the Director Pack for 2 reasons. Number one is that you're going to get a higher percentage on your payouts. Okay? See, if you look here, this Director Pack pays out 17%. Plus, you're going to get 50% check match on your first generation. And on the Director Pack, you're going to get a 10% payout in that second generation. Remember Bob and his people? You're going to get 10% of that. All right? And the other great thing is that you're going to get paid out longer on your Fast Start bonuses. You're going to get 8 weeks for a 1,000 pack and 12 weeks on the Director Pack. All right? And the second reason why I recommend these 3 packs is that you'll get enough product to share with other people. Now, I'm not recommending giving out product for free, but when somebody comes over for a barbecue or you go to work and you bring along a little bit of tea, have them try it. Okay? You'll get brochures that you can hand out. And so you guys, you need supplies to really move your business forward. So again, I recommend one of these 3 packs, okay? Now let's go to the next slide. This is our ranking system, and a lot of people will ask me right up front, Jin, how do I get way down here, up by Ambassador? Well, what I tell them is that you need to focus on how to get to the next level first, okay? And so just, you guys, make sure that you understand the qualifications, but also make your goals one step at a time so that way you reach your final goal. Okay? So you guys look this over. This is our qualification ranking system. Now this leads me to the question, what do you want to do? Do you want to sign up as a customer? That's great. I recommend everybody getting on these products because they've already been helping people, thousands of people all over the world. Okay? Or do you want to sign up as an affiliate or a distributor? The minimum startup is $40. You get $40 a product. Okay? Or are you that entrepreneur that just really wants to start your own business and you want to really change your lifestyle and you want to just really get going with your life? Okay? So it doesn't really matter what you do, guys. Just make sure that you get back to the person that showed you this website or this video and let them know what you want to do. Make a decision. Okay? So you guys, I look forward to your testimonials. If you guys have any questions or need help with anything, and I just really appreciate you taking the time to listen to this video. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.